No. You're excited. You want to go in the water. You want to go in the water. Look at the giant big waves. Are you seeing the waves? Yes. So, hi guys, today we are in the Atlantic Ocean with Camila and Canelo. So, they are enjoying the big waves. So, this is the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Atlantic Ocean. So, here, if you look at that area going that side, that's where we have got Cape Town there. Then this side, Brazil is there. Then if you go there, like that, that's where Cairo, Egypt is. England, that side. Yeah. And you can see the waves. And then jump into the water, Camila. Jump into the water. Jump. Yay! Jump. Jump. You're scared. You're scared. Come. 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 Yay! You're scared. You're super scared. Look. Ooh. You're scared of the water. It's very cold. It's very cold. Come, Camila, come. Come. Come here. You don't want. You're scared. You're scared. A big wave is coming. Yeah, you see a big wave is coming. Hello. Hello. You're super excited. Jump. Jump. You're super excited. Yes. Come, you're scared of the waves. A bubble. You're seeing a bubble. Where's the bubble? Where's the bubble? Wait. That's one. Okay. Okay, I saw the bubble. I saw the bubble. Big waves are coming. You're running away from the wave. Look at this one. Look at this one. You're inside the water. Are you seeing the waves? You're inside the water. If you put a toy there, it will go. It will go. You won't see it again. Come. Yes. Look at your legs. You need to look at your legs. Yes. What are you doing? You want to run away from the wave? Hmm? You want to run away? Hmm? Don't make yourself wet. Don't make yourself wet. Don't make your trousers wet. You're coming back. The wave is very far. So Camilla is scared of the waves. So you see, she's running away. She's running away. She's very scared. She's very scared of the big waves. You're super scared. You're super scared. Whoa. You see this one that is coming? That one. That one. Look at that one. Look at that one. You're very scared.
No.
You're not scared.
No.
Okay. We need a drone to see this area nicely. We need a drone to see this area nicely.
Okay, I don't give me seats.
Yeah?